How to ステップ1
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
Summer's over, but the deals are heating up at Lumber Liquid. Gunstock.
This is the EAS. There was a zombie outbreak reported in Hiroshima, which is now reported in San Francisco and Sacramento. Do not go outside. Close all windows and doors. Do not go out in costumes. Do not panic, because panicking will only make the situation worse.
George! Found you!
緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。緊急地震速報です。強い揺れに警戒してください。
스물한 살 여대생이에요.
김태기 씨 미안한데요. 화면에 나오는 모습이 천천박사 무슨 어린이 같은.
Cảm ơn bạn đã làm cho chúng tôi trẻ hẳn ra và tiết mục của bạn hoàn toàn.
St. Augustine, Florida, 6 a.m. observations. Today we will have a low of 74 degrees and a high of 93. Hurricane Ian is still raging across Florida, including theme parks, for example, Legoland, with the Peppa Pig theme park which opened in February of this year. A zombie outbreak originally in Hiroshima, Japan. Zombie outbreak warning. The St. Augustine Police Department has issued a zombie outbreak for the following areas: St. Augustine, Jacksonville, Orlando, and Long Beach. The zombies have originated from the Asian country Japan, which have used boats made out of trash decomposed from the 1800s to the early 2000s. These zombie creatures have been lurking around the whole state of Florida, including the most populated city in Florida. Evacuate now. Failure to evacuate will only make you a zombie and will cause the situation to worsen. Also, panicking will make the situation worsen. Today there will be hurricanes. An audio recording from a TikTok made when Hurricane Ian was raging will be on the National Weather Service and has been downloaded to keep you informed on the situation.
Feel it when you handle the remote. Also, make sure that the backlit key
National Information Center Statement. The following message has been transmitted by the Southern California Police Department. This is not a test. About half of California has been infected by a zombie outbreak all the way from Japan. These zombies have been killing almost 15 million or more people. Affected cities will be as follows: Red Bluff, Eureka, Redding, San Francisco, Sacramento, Ventura, and about 20% of Simi Valley. All citizens must evacuate immediately or else they will face certain death. Evacuation should take no longer than 30 minutes.
backlit keys.
This is not a test. The zombie outbreak issued about 2 weeks ago has worsened and is spreading across the whole USA, including Alaska and Hawaii. This is not a mandatory evacuation. The zombies have killed about 200 million people and also is worsening around the whole continent of Asia. This situation may worsen and turn into a global emergency. Also, there were zombies reported going into Antarctica.